Starbucks put up a special Christmas village for usher in the holidays and to launch its new holiday drinks and collectibles for the year. So you start out here at the mail room where you register and you get an activity, list of activities you can do inside the village. Check it out. Full of media, full of bloggers. So on this side, you have elves and you have food that they're going to be serving in all the shops. There's a coffee hugger thing where the idea is for you to hug the cup of coffee, which is kind of cool. Stuff, I guess you get to go beyond the froth. This is what the mugs look like. Custom printed Christmas cups. Redemption. I guess this is where you go. Hello little elves, not so little elves. Stage where people will be coming by. And merch. Hi.
Come coffee lovers, come bloggers, come media partners and friends. Let's gather around our Christmas tree because the festivities are about to begin. Once again, come coffee lovers, come bloggers, come media partners and friends. Let's gather around our Christmas tree because the festivities are about to begin.
Special edition cards. And of course, if this is Starbucks, there has to be coffee. So say hi to the baristas, the people who make your coffee every day. And with that, Starbucks wishes you a Merry Coffee Christmas.